Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Understanding and fixing the JavaScript Void 0 error on Windows 10. The JavaScript Void 0 error, often seen as undefined in the console, is a common but often confusing issue in web development. It basically means you're trying to use the return value of a function that doesn't explicitly return anything, or returns undefined, or you're trying to access a property of something that is undefined. While it appears simple, the root cause can be buried deep within your code or within libraries you're using. This comprehensive guide will delve into the error, explain its causes, provide debugging strategies, and offer practical solutions with code examples to help you fix it on Windows 10. We'll cover various scenarios, including those involving frameworks like React or Angular. 1. What does void 0 mean? In JavaScript, void is an operator that evaluates